Okay, to get started, you press the Beachbody On Demand app, and as you log in, you'll see the little groups button at the bottom. Click that, and then go into our Summer Strong Squad group. The name of the group will change month to month. So then you hit that tracking button at the bottom and view workouts. If you sync up your Beachbody On Demand to your devices, it'll automatically show which workout that you did. You can type right in here anything else you want to add, or you can edit it once you've logged it in. And then you hit done. Add a photo. We'd love to see your face. So you can choose a photo or you can take one right there if you just want a quick sweaty selfie. And it'll go to your camera roll. Pick a photo and you're done. Make sure it's include my photo and then hit log workout. You're going to do the same. Sometimes it takes a little while for the dumbbell to spin and spin. But if you have any questions when you're logging things in, then let me know. You're going to do the same process for logging in your Shakeology. So in a second, I will show you that. Right here on the same screen, you hit the plus button, and then you say one Shakeology, so you hit the plus button there. And then you can just start typing in this field, adding, what flavor you had. And I typically will add, like if I put in frozen banana or frozen spinach or the digestive health boost or collagen boost, and kind of line it out right there. And that's what shows up in your post in the group. So again, add a photo, and you can choose a photo or take a photo right on the spot. And I'll just pick one. And then log. Simple as that. Then we'll go over to back to the group, and I'll show you how it just shows up in the group. While you're waiting for the dumbbell to do its thing and for the log to happen, this is a good time to take a couple of deep breaths. I know it's hard for us to just sit still and not do anything, but utilize your time. Okay, so you hit that group icon again, brings you back into the group. I refresh the feed, and then you'll see there's my Shakeology. And there is the workout. And then other people are logging in, and so go in and just comment and like on people's posts. Voila. If you hit the programs tab there, you'll see all the workouts and the nutrition stuff. And then here's your homepage. I forgot to mention with the tracking, you can also, this is where you'll put in your weight, your measurements. So you can add those in. Any notes that you want to add, and you can add these day to day. So looking here again, you can track sleep patterns, bowel movements, any additional notes that you want for that day, and then adding in progress photos. So your before photo and progress photos. And then if you look at so it says Wednesday, or actually, so you can track your water, just tapping on that 30 ounce and keep adding it up. And log that. And then if you look at the Wednesday button, if you swipe across with that, you can change it to Tuesday, to Monday, whatever day that you want to add in some information. So don't forget that this is where you want to put in your stats. All right, any questions, let me know.